Hi, Michael from Wagner here. I'm going to take you through our new Flexio Cordless Paint Sprayer that's powered by the Bosch Blue battery system. I'll take you through what you get in the kit and then share with you some of the key features. First of all, you have your manual. Make sure you read through your manual before you start using the paint sprayer. It also comes with a quick start guide. Gives you some quick points to get you up and going quickly. There's a test poster so you can place up on the wall just to make sure you get your spray patterns working well before you start your project. The kit also comes with a stirring stick that also has little 10% graduations, which makes it easy for when you need to dilute your paint. So in your kit, you'll get the battery charger, a 2Ah battery, you'll get our standard attachment for spraying metal and wood, and you'll also get an eye spray attachment, which is great for doing walls, ceilings and facades. It's as easy as attaching it straight to the turbine and you're ready to go. German engineered, this new cordless sprayer comes with a brushless motor. The brushless motor has no wearing parts, so it gives great product life. It also provides consistent torque, and unlike traditional turbines on handheld sprayers, the brushless motor is a lot lighter, so it makes it fatigue free for any of your spray projects. It has a clear LED display, which makes it easy for you to see what airflow setting you're on and also the battery life. And it's easy to adjust your airflow just by the minus and plus keys on top of the unit. It has an innovative cradle, so the product can stay stable on the bench without the battery in the housing. It's as easy as placing the battery into the cradle, and it can take a 2 to 5 amp battery quite comfortably within the cradle. First of all, you have your standard spray attachment, which is great for spraying wood and metal. You can spray horizontal, vertical, or for detail spraying, set it to an angled position to get a circular spray. To adjust your paint volume, just turn the wheel on the side to adjust how much paint flow you get. We always recommend that you wind it out more than halfway to start to reduce your paint flow to make sure you get good atomization. Once you've got comfortable with the spraying and you want to get more paint flow, then feel free to wind that in more and you'll get a higher paint flow. In this kit, you also get the eye spray. It's as easy as click and paint just to put it onto the unit. With the eye spray, you get paint flow in a dial from 1 to 12. As easy as just adjusting the dial to whatever the desired paint flow is. There is also a wide or narrow spray fan. Just adjust the dial to either wide or narrow. Like the standard attachment, you can have horizontal or vertical spray. This cordless sprayer forms part of our click and paint range. Check our website for the 7 different attachments that forms part of that range to help you with any of your project needs. The cordless sprayer has enough power to use most paints undiluted. Should you want to dilute your paint, we do have an easy stirrer that has 10% graduations to make it easy to dilute your paint to the desired level. Another advantage of Wagner paint sprayers is they're so easy to clean. Have a quick look at this clip on how to clean your sprayer. So that's the new Wagner cordless sprayer. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.